Namaste doston, I am Vikram and you're watching Market Insights with Vikram, where we talk about the market but always with a smart perspective. Have you ever noticed when the market closes fully green one day, the next day can become so unpredictable? Sometimes it feels like the rally will continue and sometimes it's just a soft pause. Today, the setup looks somewhat similar, but there's a twist. Global cues are slightly in the red, FIIs still look confident, and domestic headlines are creating a mixed tone. Now, from here, which direction the market will go, that's going to be interesting. And yes, in today's video, we'll break down everything. A deep analysis of yesterday's market performance, what the latest FII-DII numbers mean, how global and domestic updates might affect sentiment, and also the crucial support and resistance levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex that could decide the market's next move. So if you want to understand today's market tone, whether the day will tilt cautious or confident, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because along the way, you will get a perspective that might clarify your trading decisions. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Every day you get a detailed analysis of pre-market and market updates, which can be valuable for any trader or investor. Yesterday's market scene was quite interesting. Basically, the market showed a strong performance. All major indices closed in the green and it looked like investor sentiment was very positive. IT, metal, pharma and PSU banks contributed well. Honestly, these sectors were pushing the market. Nifty 50 opened at 25,100 and touched a high of 25,237. Low stayed at 25,100 and finally closed at 25,181.80. That's an almost 0.54% gain. A solid move, a steady growth kind of session. Bank Nifty was a bit different. Opened at 56,000, touched a high of 56,192.05 and low at 55,800 and closed at 56,192.05. A small gain of 0.31%, but worth noting, PSU banks provided support, boosting overall sentiment. Sensex also performed well. Started at 81,800, high reached 82,172.10, low was 81,700 and closed at 82,172.10. Almost a 0.49% jump. Combined, this created a strong positive vibe in the market. Looking at key stocks that moved, HCL Tech and Ultratech Cement stood out. Both gained over 2%. Reliance Industries was also strong. Major players were pushing the market, and it felt like continuous FII flows were really helping. Sometimes it seems their support keeps the market steady. And yes, there was some relief in geopolitical tensions. Expectations of a possible ceasefire in Israel-Hamas conflict gave a positive push to global markets, and naturally, this affected Indian markets too. So investors felt a bit more comfortable. Basically, yesterday's session was solid. Positive sectors led the way, major companies were strong, and overall, the market had a healthy vibe. If you want details about any particular stock or sector, we can discuss that too. Before we start, if you haven't liked the video yet, seriously, one click doubles my motivation. And don't forget to share so your friends also get real-time market insights. And subscribe because this is where I get my energy. Now, let's start today's pre-market insight. Looking at the global setup, the tone doesn't look that strong. Gift Nifty is trading at 25,222.50, down about 37.50 points, around minus 0.15%. So it looks like a soft start, showing some hesitation from buyers. US markets were also under pressure yesterday. Dow Jones closed at 46,370.92, down about 230 points, around minus 0.50%, and Nasdaq slightly slipped, closing at 23,024.63, minus 0.08%. Overall, global tone is in a cooling off phase, like the market is taking a breather after recent rallies. So, global cues are a bit cautious, no strong buying or bullishness, and Gift Nifty's flat to negative setup signals that today's session will likely have a cautious sentiment. Overall, today's market mode looks cautiously negative, meaning we might see a soft pressure type opening where participants wait a bit, see which direction forms, then maybe selective buying comes in. But for now, the tone looks defensive. If we look at FII DII activity, another thing that helps understand yesterday's market mood is FII and DII activity. Seriously, FIIs showed strong buying in the market, plus 1,308.16 crore net inflow. Foreign investors looked confident, bringing fresh money, which is never negligible. It's a big signal for the market. And DIIs weren't behind either. Domestic investors contributed plus 864.36 crore. So both sides supported the market. Global confidence on one hand and local stability on the other, lifting the market overall. These numbers are not just statistics, they reflect market mode, sentiment, and trust. Seeing these inflows, it's clear that people are genuinely buying, not hesitating, deploying their capital, and this confidence helped Nifty and Sensex close solidly. Looking at the broader picture, global and domestic updates can directly affect market sentiment. Basically, headlines shape market mood. Globally, the Israel-Hamas conflict is calming a bit, which is why global risk appetite improved slightly. Investors are more confident and world markets are seeing an everything rally vibe. Equities, commodities, gold, momentum across the board. This stability gives energy to markets and gold demand is rising sharply. As a safe haven, investors are moving there, showing that even with uncertainty, safety matters. In domestically, the scene is interesting. The government approved a rupees 7,300 crore scheme for rare earth manufacturing, a strategic move reducing China dependency and giving India's industrial base a push. GIFT City and RBI are working on real-time forex settlement. If implemented, it can boost foreign flows and improve liquidity and efficiency in the currency market, indirectly positive for equities. Diplomatically, India and UK are focusing on trade and defense deals. UK PM Starmer openly supported India's UN Security Council seat. Symbolic but sentimentally strong, boosting investor confidence. Not everything is positive. One Indian firm said US solar exports are not worth the risk now. Export tariff tensions rising could create uncertainty in the renewable solar sector. Also, recent Modi-Trump talks on trade negotiations, especially US tariffs, could have short-term impact on textiles and jewelry exports. Now, let's talk about important support and resistance levels for Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and Sensex. For Nifty, understanding support and resistance is crucial. Support starts at 25,071, then 25,960, and down to 25,896. If the market pulls back, these levels are important as buyers may step into hold price. If broken, caution is needed as downside pressure can increase. On the resistance side, first barrier is 25,246, then 25,310 and up to 25,421. If momentum is strong, these levels can be tested, but each level will see pauses, consolidation or small pullbacks. These levels basically map out the market's roadmap whether a rally continues or slows down. For Bank Nifty, support starts at 55,929, then 55,665 and 55,446. If a pullback happens, buyers may re-enter here, but if broken, watch out for increased pressure and volatility. Resistance is at 56,371, then 56,550 and up to 56,813. Strong momentum and confident buyers can test these, but each level will struggle a bit, pauses or minor consolidation likely. Again, a roadmap to anticipate the market move.
For Sensex, support is at 81,811, then 81,449 and 81,231. These are key if the market reverses or profit booking happens. Buyers can step in, but if broken, downside pressure and volatility may increase. Resistance is at 82,391, then 82,609 and 82,971. Strong momentum may test these, but pauses or consolidation are likely. These levels indicate whether the rally continues or slows down. Friends, that's it for today's session. If you found this analysis valuable, do like the video and comment which sector or stock you're focusing on. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Here you get daily pre-market and market analysis updates. See you in the next pre-market analysis update. Safe trading, smart investing, Jai Hind.